Hey tech enthusiasts! Docker is a game changer, but are you getting the most out of it? Today, we're diving into some powerful Docker tips that will seriously boost your workflow, optimize your builds, and keep your containers lean. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, these insights will help you build better, faster, and more efficiently. Let's jump right in. First up, the .docker ignore file. This small but mighty file prevents unnecessary files and folders from being sent to the Docker daemon during build context. Ignoring things like node_modules, .git directories, or local development files significantly speeds up your build process and keeps your final image size smaller. Don't skip this crucial optimization for cleaner builds. Next, embrace multi-stage builds. This technique allows you to use multiple from instructions in your Docker file, leveraging one stage to build your application and a separate, smaller stage to package only the necessary runtime artifacts. The result? Drastically reduced final image sizes, better security due to fewer attack vectors, and faster deployments. It's a game changer for production images. For local development, volume mounts are your best friend. Instead of rebuilding your Docker image every time you make a code change, mount your local source code directory into your container. This allows instant reflection of changes, just like developing directly on your host machine, but within the isolated container environment. It's incredibly efficient for rapid iteration and testing. Are your disk drives filling up with old Docker cruft? It happens. Regularly use Docker system prune to clean up unused containers, networks, images, and build cache. This command is a lifesaver for reclaiming disk space and keeping your Docker environment tidy. Just be absolutely sure you don't need any of those dangling resources first. Don't just assume your container is healthy if it starts. Implement health check instructions in your Docker file. A health check periodically runs a command inside the container to verify that your application is actually running and responsive, not just that the process started. This is crucial for orchestrators like Kubernetes to know when to restart or replace unhealthy instances. There you have it, 5 essential Docker tips to supercharge your container journey. Implementing these practices will lead to faster builds, smaller images, and a much smoother development experience. Which tip was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more tech insights. Happy Dockering!